Hi everybody, my name is Cora and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first impressions on the Graco Duet Sway, LX Swing and Bouncer, and this is going to be in the color Camila. So a little bit about myself. I'm basically ready to pop with my first baby. I'm going to be a first-time mom. So there's a lot of items that I needed to buy, and since we were in a pandemic, all the stores have been closed. So I haven't been able to check out a lot of my items to go touch, feel, look at them. So I had to rely a lot on online descriptions and people's reviews. So I'm hoping this video will help you out if you are looking to get a bouncer or a swing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So for the Graco Duet Sway, LX Swing and Bouncer, this one's going to be in the color Camila. It does come in other colors. I'll go ahead and try to post a picture on the screen. So some of the features of this, it is both a swing and a bouncer. So the swing portion does have a dial over there in the back, and the bouncer portion is removable, which is the seat right here. The lining of the bouncer or the seat itself is removable and washable. If you look up here, this part right here is also removable. This is the toy bar. It does have 3 little plush toys there. That is also removable and reattachable with a Velcro. And to place this back in, you just kind of have to insert this into the holes on the sides, like so. Also, looking at the seat itself, on the sides of the seats there are 2 handles, and these 2 handles are actually help you kind of grab onto the seat itself and to lift up to remove the bouncer portion. So this right here is powered by a power outlet. It does require a D-size battery, and I believe that is for the control panel, which is on this bottom part right here. On the control panel, we have the vibration control and the song control, which it comes with 6 songs and 2 vibration speeds. For the swing part, it states on the description that it's for infants from 5.5 to 25 pounds, and the bouncer part is for 5.5 to 19 pounds. And this part right here is also machine washable. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the swing portion. It is a dial. There is a blue light indicator that shows that it is on, and you will hear a click when you turn that dial to the right. However, that click though doesn't continue when you try to do it for the second speed, third speed, fourth speed, so on. It just is one continuous flow of the dial to increase the intensity of the swing. So if you look here, this looks like it's the first setting, and that is the sway. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put it what I think is the middle setting, so at 3. And what's cool about this too is that you can actually lift up the bouncer portion, turn the bouncer around, and it becomes a different direction. So it's multi-directional. It goes right, front, left, side to side, or front to back motion. And then turning the dial all the way up, that would be the sway of that one right there. There is a 5-point harness right over here. I'll show that to you later and when we do close-ups. All right, so let's go ahead and I'll show you the bouncer portion of this item right here. So now we're going to do a close-up of the bouncer itself. So if you look down here, this is where the control panel is. This on this side has the settings for the vibrations. There's 2 settings. This would be the lower intensity. I know you probably can't see it, but can kind of hear it. Slide it over all the way to the right and you have the higher intensity vibration. And then also next to it is the control for the music. So to the left, it's a song, and then to the right, it is just sound effects. So this part does take a D-size battery, since it's separate from the power outlet from the swing. Here is the 5-point harness seatbelt, and there is one button in the middle. You can just go ahead and remove the seatbelt, and then this part here, the shoulder straps, is also removable from the lap strap. And to put it back in, you just basically slide the lap strap buckle into where the shoulder strap buckle is as well. And you can just connect that to the main buckle. And then you'll hear a click. Again, this part is removable for it to wash, and these are removable for your little one to play with. And the toy bar itself is also removable. The handles on the side is what I use to go ahead and remove the bouncer from the swing. Again, you would press down on the foot of the swing and pull up. It does have rubber feet at the bottom, so it'd be kind of hard. Well, it kind of anchors it a little bit onto the ground. And since this is a bouncer, it does bounce. This does move around a lot when you do bounce it. Also, on the sides, if you look to the sides, there are these gray buttons on both sides of the bouncer. And this is to help supposedly recline the bouncer itself. There's supposed to be 3 positions, but for some reason I can only get it to 2. So that would be considered the lowest. And it clicks for another position, but it won't go any higher, and I don't doesn't feel like there's a middle to it. So that's the highest. So that was my quick overview and close-up of the Graco Duet Sway LX Swing and Bouncer. So we're gonna go ahead and go over the pros and cons. So the pros for me have been the fact that it is both a swing and a bouncer. So when I was looking into this kind of item, this baby item, I wanted it to be a little bit more versatile, more than having just one use. So I do like that it can be both a bouncer and a swing. And also that it is multi-directional, so I can change the direction of the swing as opposed to it just going side to side. It can go front to back. And the fact that it has different speeds on it, and that these toys here are removable, which I think is a good idea. The music and the sounds are a plus, and that the harness is adjustable. So as the baby grows, I can adjust the harness according to her, how big she is. And the cons for me that are also the settings for the speed is that there is no definite speed setting. It's just kind of one continuous flow, so you don't know what setting you're at. And the fact that it's supposed to be a 3-position recline according to the site, maybe I'm not doing it right, but to me it just seemed like there was just 2 reclining positions setting for it. So maybe I have to play with it a little bit more, but it shouldn't be that hard to change the different reclining positions. So far to me it seems like there's only 2. So that is what my review is so far, my first impressions. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are looking for your baby products, and what you like about a swing or a bouncer. And also, if you are interested in this particular swing and bouncer, you can go ahead and check out my link below to check it out and get a little bit more description on it. Okay, well, I hope that is a little bit informational for you, and I hope you guys are doing great and you're taking care. Bye.